Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Kaggle API for downloading datasets reliably, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Kaggle API for downloading datasets, start by creating a Kaggle account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Kaggle website and register using your email or Google account. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Click on the profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the section labeled API. Click on the Create New API Token button. This action will download a file named kaggle.json to your computer. Now, locate the downloaded kaggle.json file. This file contains your API credentials, which are essential for accessing Kaggle datasets. Next, you need to place this file in the correct directory. If you're using Windows, navigate to your user directory, typically found at c:\users\your username. For Mac and Linux users, go to the home directory, which can be accessed by opening the terminal. In the respective user directory, create a new folder named .kaggle. Move the kaggle.json file into the .kaggle folder. Now, set the proper permissions for this file. On Windows, right-click on the kaggle.json file and adjust it to ensure it is not publicly accessible. For Mac and Linux users, run the command chmod 600/.kaggle/kaggle.json in the terminal. Next, test if the API is working correctly by opening the command line or terminal. Type the command Kaggle version to check if it recognizes the Kaggle API. If it returns a version number, your setup is successful. To download a dataset, find the dataset you want on the Kaggle website. Each dataset page has a unique API command for downloading it. Copy this command for future use. Return to the command line or terminal and paste the copied command. Press Enter to execute the command and download the dataset. Once the download is complete, you can find the dataset in your current working directory. You're now equipped to reliably download datasets from Kaggle using the API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.